One of the most important and common questions faced by mothers while breastfeeding is, how frequently should I breastfeed? This question seems very important and logical. Parents keep on asking this question quite frequently. Hi, I am Dr. Sumati. I am a pediatrician and I am working in this field since 8 years. So let's get started. And the answer to this question is feeding on demand. Feeding on demand is the best and ideal schedule to follow. There are no tailor-made schedules for breastfeeding, as milk production, sucking habits and stomach capacities will change from baby to baby. So feeding on demand is the best method. Feeding on demand means feeding the baby whenever she cries for a feed. In the early days, mother may get confused between the hunger cry of a baby and a cry for other needs. But soon all the mothers can make out why her baby is crying and can have a fairly good schedule. But some mothers are very worried about the count of feeding. But it is not recommended to go by the count. If you are giving bottle feeds, it is advisable to count the quantity of milk and the number of feeds. But if you are breastfeeding, feeding on demand is the best and maybe the easiest method. Roughly the frequency is around 2nd to 3rd hourly in the first 6 weeks of life and 3rd to 4th hourly up to 3 months. 8 to 10 feeds per day is the count in the first 6 weeks. And the feeding time should be around 15 to 20 minutes per feed. And coming to nighttime feeds, nighttime feeding schedule. In the early weeks, 2 to 3 nighttime feeds are a must. Nighttime feeding increases a hormone called prolactin and helps in good milk output. And after 6 weeks, one late night feed and an early morning feed will be sufficient. And around this time you can concentrate on creating a day and nighttime routine for your baby. Most of the mothers and grandmothers are worried whether breast milk is sufficient or not. And even sometimes they put pressure on the mothers to give outside milk, that is infant milk substitutes. So I must say, here is a rough guide you should observe to make sure your feed is sufficient for your baby. If your baby is having 6 to 7 wet nappies per day, that is she is passing urine around 8 to 10 times per day, which is pale colored, and is active, alert, bright eyed, is interested in what is going around him and gains weight gradually. These are the cues that suggest your feeding is sufficient. And baby should sleep for at least 3 to 4 hours between each feed. But if your baby is waking up frequently, that is every hourly, and sucks at the breast, this may be a sign that she is not getting enough milk. So mothers, don't be obsessed with counting. Just follow the right technique of breastfeeding in a very relaxed manner and you will get to know about your baby's requirements. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, comment below. Subscribe so that you won't miss my new videos. Thank you.